whether this person suffers significant pain, suffering, or loss of enjoyment. Okay, now those are the 5 elements of the loss: the injury diagnosis, outcome diagnosis, external circumstances, personal circumstances, and the abstract and subjective impairments. Then it is necessary to sit down and look at all of those things and consider the level or degree of changes. Now, the only way to describe those in terms of quantitative assessment is by semi-quantitative words, such as insignificant, trivial, inconsequential. In other words, if a doctor says that I think these problems are inconsequential or trivial, obviously it's not going to amount to a serious injury. Or I think they're moderate or severe or intrusive, overwhelming, devastating, or significant. So those are all subjective words, but they give some medical assessment to how bad the changes are. And then, having applied your mind to that, the final determination is now, have the injuries resulted in life-changing sequelae? And if so, are those changes significant? So that is the end of the recommendation or guideline for the narrative test.